Welcome back to Homespot. Are you ready to transform your garden into an artistic paradise without breaking the bank? Today we're exploring incredible homemade garden art projects that will make your outdoor space absolutely stunning. From painted rocks to whimsical wind chimes, these creative decorations are easy to make and perfect for adding personality to your garden. Let's dive in. Transform ordinary stones into beautiful garden markers with just a few coats of paint. Collect smooth river rocks and use acrylic paints to write plant names in colorful lettering. Add decorative borders, tiny illustrations, or patterns around the edges to make each marker unique. These hand-painted rocks are weatherproof, budget-friendly, and add a personalized touch to your garden beds while helping you remember what you planted where throughout the growing season. Create melodic garden music by repurposing items you already have at home. Gather old kitchen utensils, vintage silverware, metal pipes, or seashells, and string them together with sturdy fishing line or wire. Arrange the pieces at varying lengths to produce different tones when the wind blows. Hang your custom wind chime from a tree branch, pergola, or shepherd's hook to add both visual interest and soothing sounds to your outdoor space. Give old garden tools and scrap metal a second life as stunning flower sculptures. Weld or wire together metal pieces to form petals, stems, and leaves in artistic arrangements. Use colorful spray, paint, or let natural rust develop for authentic vintage character. These permanent metal blooms never need watering and withstand all weather conditions. Position them throughout your garden beds to add height, color, and sculptural interest year-round. Elevate simple clay pots into colorful garden statements with creative painting techniques. Clean your terracotta containers thoroughly, then apply acrylic paints in bold geometric patterns, mandalas, florals, or abstract designs. Use painter's tape for crisp lines and multiple colors for dimension. Seal your artwork with outdoor varnish to protect against weather. These custom pots showcase your plants beautifully while expressing your artistic personality throughout your garden and patio spaces. Bring bohemian style to your garden with handcrafted macrame plant hangers. Learn basic knots like square knots and spiral knots. Then work with natural cotton rope or jute twine to create intricate hanging designs. These textile plant holders suspend your favorite potted plants at eye level, creating vertical garden interest. Hang multiple macrame planters at staggered heights from pergolas, porch ceilings, or tree branches for a layered, relaxed outdoor aesthetic. Recycle empty tin cans into charming garden lanterns that cast beautiful patterns of light. Fill cans with water and freeze solid. Then use a hammer and nail to punch decorative hole patterns into the sides. The ice prevents denting during the punching process. Once thawed and dried, paint the exterior if desired, add wire handles, and place tea lights inside. These lanterns create magical ambience for evening garden gatherings. Welcome feathered friends with custom decorated birdhouses that double as garden art. Start with basic wooden birdhouse kits or build your own from scratch. Paint the exteriors with weather-resistant colors in cheerful patterns featuring flowers, vines, stripes, or polka dots. Ensure ventilation holes and proper entrance hole sizes for your target bird species. Mount finished birdhouses on posts, trees, or fences to provide wildlife habitat while beautifying your garden. Add personality to your garden with a cheerful turtle sculpture. Create this friendly character from concrete, ceramic, or repurposed materials like bowls for the shell. Paint the shell with bright, geometric patterns or nature-inspired designs. Give your turtle a smiling face and position it along pathways, near ponds, or peeking out from flower beds. This whimsical sculpture brings joy and character to your outdoor space throughout every season. Capture coastal vibes with natural driftwood wind chimes. Collect weathered wood pieces from beaches or loch shores. Then combine them with metal chimes, shells, and beads. Drill holes through the driftwood and string everything together with durable cord at varying lengths. The combination of natural textures and gentle sounds creates a relaxing seaside atmosphere. Hang your finished chime, where breezes will activate the movement and melodic tones throughout your garden sanctuary. Support pollinators while adding functional art to your garden with a hexagonal bee hotel. Construct a wooden frame filled with hollow tubes, bamboo pieces, and drilled wood blocks where solitary bees can nest. Design the structure with geometric appeal, painting or staining the exterior for weather protection. Position your bee hotel in a sunny spot near flowering plants. This decorative piece helps local ecosystems while serving as an educational and attractive garden feature. Bring underwater whimsy to your terrestrial garden with colorful wooden fish sculptures. Cut fish shapes from weather-resistant wood. Then paint each one in bright colors with detailed scale patterns, fins, and friendly expressions. Mount your fish school on stakes to place throughout flower beds or attach them to fences and walls. These playful decorations add movement and personality to your garden while showcasing your creative woodworking and painting skills. Sculpt adorable garden guardians from air-dry clay without needing a kiln. Mold the clay into traditional gnome shapes with pointed hats, long beards, and charming poses. Allow pieces to dry completely according to package directions. Then paint with acrylics in vibrant colors. Seal with outdoor varnish for weather resistance. Nestle your handcrafted gnomes among flowers and foliage where they'll add personality, folklore charm, and whimsical character to your cottage garden style. Add vertical color and rhythm to your garden beds with decorated wooden poles. Select straight branches or lumber posts in varying heights. Then paint them with bright geometric patterns, stripes, spirals, or folk art designs. Sink the poles into the ground throughout your garden to create vertical interest and guide the eye upward. These colorful accents complement flowering plants while adding structure and artistic flair that remains visible even during dormant seasons. Scatter whimsical mushroom decorations throughout your garden for enchanted forest charm. Craft toadstools from wood, concrete, or weather-resistant materials in various sizes. Paint with classic red caps and white polka dots or experiment with natural brown and tan tones. Position your mushroom collection under trees, among shade plants, or along garden paths. These storybook-inspired decorations transform ordinary outdoor spaces into magical landscapes that delight visitors of all ages year-round. Embrace vintage farmhouse style with deliberately aged metal tub planters. Apply rust-creating solutions to galvanized steel containers or allow natural weathering over time. The distressed patina adds character and shabby chic appeal. Fill your rusty tub with colorful blooming annuals cascading flowers, or herb gardens. Position on patios, along pathways, or in garden beds where the weathered industrial aesthetic contrasts beautifully with fresh green foliage and vibrant blooms. Create an enchanting miniature world within your larger garden space. Designate a special corner and install tiny houses with intricate details, miniature bridges over pebble streams, and small fairy figurines. Add moss, succulents, and dwarf plants to maintain proper scale. Include accessories like tiny benches, lanterns, and signs. This magical installation sparks imagination and wonder, providing a whimsical focal point that invites closer inspection and delights both children and adults alike. There you have it, amazing garden art projects to beautify your outdoor space. From simple painted rocks to enchanting fairy gardens, these creative ideas prove that stunning garden decorations don't require expensive materials or professional skills. Which project will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to Homespot for more creative ideas, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content.